Hi teachers, welcome to the virtual reality assignment using ThingLink. When you first log on to ThingLink, you're going to have to set up a profile just like any other website. Here, you can find the Welcome, My Media tab, Explore, Projects, and Create tab. If you want to create your own interactive 360 virtual reality assignment, you would click on the blue Create tab and then Get Started. But for today, I'm going to show you how to manipulate a 360-degree interactive assignment that's already been created based off another user on ThingLink. There is an open source Explore tab where you can search and look for already created assignments. So for today, we're going to look at this assignment for the War of 1812 breakout activity. So first, here to get acclimated with the assignment, you can hold down your mouse button and then move around to explore the 360-degree picture. So up here at the top, something you'll notice is the user developed this Are You a Teacher tab, where you can click on it and kind of get more information from him, the designer of this activity. But for our purposes today, we're going to look around and just kind of get acclimated with how to use a 360-degree tool like ThingLink. When you create an interactive assignment like this one, you can choose the type of buttons that you want to add and where exactly you want to place them. So for example, these two buttons are actually Google Docs here, as you can see, once it loads. And then over here you can see that this is actually an audio direction. The play button is an embedded video here that you can click and embed any video that you would like. Then over here, the designer has added in these two pictures that just kind of give some information for the students. And then these are articles that the students will have to read as part of this assignment. So you can see here that there's a variety of things you can do, but for today's assignment, the students will click on each one, expand it by using the button on the bottom to get to the website so that they can actually read it in full. And then once you click back on the ThingLink website, you will see that the final assignment here is to unlock the combinations by putting in what they think the possible locks are here on this Google Doc. And that's basically how you would manipulate and work a 360-degree interactive assignment. Like I said, there are different things you can add to this, but for this assignment, it's kind of simple. There's a couple tasks for the students to do and some directions laid out here, and that is basically how it works.